Preparing for the CIA Part 1 exam in 2026? The rules have changed. Here's what you need to know. The Certified Internal Auditor, or CIA, is the only globally recognized certification for internal audit professionals. It's issued directly by the Institute of Internal Auditors, the same body that sets the standards you're tested on. This makes it highly portable and valuable across industries and countries. For many senior roles in Big Four firms, Fortune 500 companies, and public sector audit functions, the CIA designation is not just preferred, it's a requirement for advancement past the senior auditor level. The biggest change for the 2026 exam is the replacement of the old IPPF framework with the new Global Internal Audit Standards, or GIAS. Effective January 2025, GIAS consolidates everything into one integrated framework with 5 domains, 15 principles, and 52 standards. Using outdated study materials that reference old IPPF standard numbers, like Standard 1130, will lead you to incorrect answers. The exam now tests GIAS language and structure exclusively, making updated preparation absolutely critical for success. Reflecting the GIAS update, the 2025 syllabus renames Part 1 to Internal Audit Fundamentals and compresses it from 6 sections into 4. The most dramatic shift is in the Foundations section, which now makes up 35% of your exam, up from just 15%. This section absorbed key topics like independence, objectivity, and quality assurance. The other sections are ethics and professionalism at 20%, governance, risk, and control at 30%, and fraud risks, which increased to 15%. The governance, risk management, and control section at 30% requires you to know key frameworks. For risk management, focus on the 2017 COSO framework and its 5 components. For internal control, master the 2013 COSO Integrated Framework's 5 components and 17 principles. You must also understand the 3 lines model, which replaced the old 3 lines of defense. Be prepared for scenario questions that ask you to identify the roles of management, risk functions, and internal audit. The Ethics and Professionalism section covers the entirety of GIAS Domain 2 and its 5 principles. You must demonstrate integrity, maintain objectivity, demonstrate competency, exercise due professional care, and maintain confidentiality. Expect scenario-based questions where you must identify which principle an auditor's action violates or upholds. This includes understanding professional skepticism and the annual continuing professional education requirements. 40 hours for practicing CIAs and 20 for non-practicing CIAs to maintain the credential. To sit for the exam, you'll need to meet education and experience requirements, though you can test before the experience is complete. A common path is a 4-year degree plus 2 years of relevant experience. You'll apply through the IIA's CCMS portal, provide a character reference, and pay the fees. Once approved, you have a 3-year window to pass all 3 parts. With a pass rate of about 44%, a structured study plan is essential. Most working auditors can prepare in 8 to 12 weeks. Ready to tackle the 2026 CIA Part 1 exam with confidence? Don't rely on outdated materials. Visit Open Exam Prep to access free practice questions aligned with the new GIAS syllabus. Our platform includes an AI tutor that explains every answer in the language of the new standards, ensuring you're prepared for what you'll see on test day. Start your free practice now.